Good morning, students. Now today again we have come in Supnekar scholarship classes. आपण काल पाहिलं होतं linear equations in two variables. Yesterday we had seen the first lecture regarding linear equations in two variables. Now we have to go further. Today we are seeing simultaneous linear equation, how to solve this simultaneous linear equation. Now try to understand. Here two equations are given. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. This will be your first equation. This will be your first equation, and 3x plus y is equal to 2 is your second equation. Now how to solve this? First of all, you have to remember once again, what do you mean by coefficients? Coefficient is the number written prior to the variable. व्हेरिएबलच्या अगोदर लिहिलेल्या नंबरला आपण कोइफिशियंट म्हणतो. काल आपण पाहिलं होतं सहगुणक या शब्दाला म्हणतात. तर हियर इन द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन 5 is the coefficient of x, minus 3 is the coefficient of y, and c constant is 8 over here. This is the standard form of the equation, and the equation should be in this standard form only. If it is not given in this standard form, you have to make it, you have to bring it in the standard form. This is your first equation. In second equation 3x, that means x चा coefficient, x चा सहगुणक 3 आहे. The coefficient of x over here is 3, and here it has not been given actually, but whenever it has not been given the coefficient, you have to take it as 1. Are you getting me? Whenever the coefficient is not given, you have to take it as 1 is equal to 2. And so the equation is 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 is your first equation. 3x plus y is equal to 2 is your second equation. Now what is to be done? Now see, here there are two different coefficients in two different equations. Now we have to get LCM of both these values. What do you mean by LCM? LCM म्हणजे असा आकडा की ज्या दोनही नंबरनी लहानात लहान आकडा या दोन्ही नंबरनी त्या नंबरला मल्टिप्लाय होते, सॉरी डिवाइड होते. हे असं एवढं सगळं लक्षात ठेवण्यापेक्षा आपण एवढंच लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे, यू हॅव टू मल्टिप्लाय दिस फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बाय 3 and the second equation by 5. You are getting me? First equation is to be multiplied by the coefficient of the second equation if you are making same as the x coefficients, and you have to multiply second equation by 5. Okay? Most of the times children make mistake over here. They multiply only up till here. म्हणजे 5x and minus 3y are to be multiplied by 3, but they forget to multiply 8 also with the same number. You have to multiply the whole equation with the any number. Okay, so now I will multiply and I will show it to you. With 3 you will have to multiply 5, so it will be 15x. 3 is multiplied by minus 3, it will be minus 9y is equal to 8 3s are 24. Okay, this is your first equation. This is modified equation, and you have to multiply second equation by 5. So 5 3s are 15x, 5 1s are 5 is equal to 5 2s are 10. Now you have to see that what are the signs behind this. You see both the x are having 15 as a coefficient. Coefficients are same, but both the coefficients are having same sign. Okay, we have to cancel that x, so one sign should be opposite than that of the first one. So here if it is positive, then you will have to change the sign. Here you have to make minus, and you will have to change the signs of all the three terms in the second equation. So this will become minus, whatever, if plus sign it is there, it will become minus. If minus sign it is there, it will become plus. So here it will become again minus, and here it will become minus. You are getting me? आपण साइन चेंज केलेले आहे दुसऱ्या इक्वेशनचे. इथे आपण घेतलेले आहे मायनस, इथे काही नव्हतं प्लस होतं, म्हणजे प्लस आपण केलेलं आहे मायनस. Here also plus was there, you have made it minus. Here nothing was there, you have made it minus. Okay, now this 15x plus, and you have to consider this change sign now. You have to consider this change sign. So now you will have to consider it as minus 15x. So both these x will get cancelled. Both these 15x fully will get cancelled. What remains over here? Minus 9y minus 5y. Now what is to be done whenever both the signs are same? In my previous lecture I had told you, whenever both the numbers are having same sign, S-A-M-E, how many letters are there? 4 letters are there. You have to make plus, P-L-U-S. Here also 4 letters are there, and whatever is the bigger number sign, that sign you have to give. Here 9 and 5, so it will become 14. I have not put the sign first, and now 14y, which sign it will get? Minus 9, because bigger number is 9. Now you don't have to consider minus 9 is smaller than minus 5. You don't have to consider this. Only you have to see 9 आणि 5 याच्यामधला मोठे नंबर कुठला आहे? तर 9 मोठा आहे. मोठ्या नंबरचा साइन. So again minus 14y it will be there, and here 24 I have told you to consider this second sign. So 24 minus 10, it will come it as 14. Okay, now here most of the students, they will make this minus 14 while bringing over here, it will become plus 14. No, you don't have to do like that. See, 14y means there is not given any sign between the coefficient and the number. It means that it is multiplication sign. Okay, it is multiplication sign. So minus 14 is to be multiplied by y. While going on another side, y will, here it will become 14 minus 14. Okay, you are getting me? इथे ह्या y ची किंमत काढताना बरीच मुलं मायनस 14 से प्लस 14 करतात. मायनस 14 से प्लस 14 होणार नाही. ते कधी होतील? इफ इट हॅज बीन गिवन y minus 14 is equal to 14, if it has been given, then it will be y is equal to 14, and this minus 14 will become plus 14. Here it will not happen. Why? Because minus 14 and there is no sign given in between y and 14. So you have to take it as, you have to consider it as multiplication sign. So y la minus 14 ni you are multiplying. So while going on another side, it will become dividing. So y will be this 14 ones are, and minus, only once minus sign it is there. So y will be minus 1. Okay, have you understood? Okay, now we have to put this value of y in any of the equation. In any of the equation you have to put, but I will put in the first equation. Suppose 5x minus 3y is equal to 8, and here the value of y has been, you have got it as minus 1. So 5x minus 3, and you have to put value of y. What it is? Minus 1. So it will be equal to 8. So 5x. Now see, 2 times negative sign it is there. 2 times negative sign. आपण मी बऱ्याच वेळा मुलांना सांगितलेलं आहे की मी मराठी मीडियममधून शिकलेली आहे आणि मी मराठी मीडियमच्या मुलांना जास्त शिकवते, जास्त शिकवलेलं आहे, आणि म्हणून माझ्या सगळ्या युक्त्या ह्या मराठी माध्यमातून जाणार असतात. आपण समजा एखादा इंग्लिश मीडियमचा मुलगा आहे आणि त्याला शाळेमध्ये शिकवलेलं आहे की 2 वेळा नकार म्हणजे एकदा होकार. आपण सांगायचं त्याला की मुलगा आईला विचारतो, आई मी लाडू घेऊ का? आईने लाडू करून ठेवलेले आहेत आणि मुलगा आईला विचारतो, आई मी लाडू घेऊ का? आई काय म्हणते? नाही म्हणजे अजिबात नाही. त्याला मुलगा सांगतो, आई तू 2 वेळा नाही म्हणालीस, नाही म्हणजे अजिबात नाही. आमच्या मॅडमने आज शिकवलेल्या शाळेमध्ये 2दा नकार म्हणजे एकदा होकार. हिअर इट इज वन्स नेगेटिव्ह साइन, अगेन वन्स नेगेटिव्ह साइन. सो इट विल बिकम प्लस 3 ones are 3 is equal to 8. Okay, have you got me? Okay. Now 5. Now here this plus 3 will go over here and it will become negative. So 5x is equal to 8 minus 3, that will be equal to 5. Now 5x is equal to 5. What will be the value of x? It will be 5 upon 5. So x will be equal to 1. Now here you have got both the values, but always remember you have to write down the value of x first and then only you have to write down value of y. So here solution set will be 1, you have to put comma and then value of y minus 1 and you have to put brackets over there. Okay, so this will be the value of x, this will be the value of y. Okay, have you understood all of you? Is it okay? Thanks a lot.